careful who you test. Give me your worst and you'll get my best. 'Cause I don't know how to back down, how to back down. No, I don't know how to back down, how to back down.
Guys, what do you think of this pretty epic spot?
Pretty awesome view out here, thanks to them.
Oh, did you find a stick? That did not take you long. Good girl. Okay, get it. Get the stick. The sun is starting to set. The canyons are starting to light up a little.
I am a fighter. I am a fighter. I am a fighter.
We are driving through Capitol Reef National Park on the 10-mile scenic drive. This drive is completely free to the public. There's no pay station, as well as if you continue on Highway 24, that pretty much goes around one side of Capitol Reef. That also is no cost. A lot of the trails within Capitol Reef sit off of Highway 24 or Scenic Drive, so you don't have to pay anything if you feel like having a day in Capitol Reef. Right now, we're just kind of enjoying a nice, slow, smooth drive around the park. Checking out all the views. Right, Dad?
That's right, everybody. This might be one of the most underrated parks in Utah. The scenic drive is obviously scenic, but I haven't seen another national park like this before, so I encourage everybody to come out here, especially, if you don't want to pay for anything.
Got no limits, I got no fears.
Just stopped for a yummy snack. Apples and peanut butts. We went down this, what was it called? Creek Road?
Somewhere with a narrow road.
Basically, you drive through these canyons off-roading.
Off-road.
And you're twisting and you're turning, you're going through everything. And it's like a 20-30 minute drive one way down, so you have to go kind of slow, especially in a van.
Nowhere 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Yeah. And then it ends at a trail where there's hieroglyphs and where some of the first Mormon settlers walked through those canyons and wrote their names on the walls too. So we didn't do that because there wasn't parking, so we turned around and pulled over about a mile away from that. Now we're having a snack.
Crunchy peanut butter. Only way good.
Like a brand new sun. Since the day I was born.
Y'all, can we just talk about what a homestead this is? Like, look at this. Just orchards. The little house was back there. These canyons, a creek. Not too shabby of a place to live. Their homestead was so beautiful, it turned into a national park. How many people can say that?
I am a fighter. I am a fighter.
We must go on strike to allow all dogs to have entry upon all national parks. Who's with me?
At Arches National Park with Aimless Travels and Andrew and Elena, just walking through. You can see Balancing Rock there. It's just such a cool ass park. Weather's not the greatest, but you know what? It's really nice out. It's like 72, light drizzle. It's not terrible. So we just got to Grand Junction and we were gonna go to Salt Lake, but we ended up deciding to come here instead because Colorado is really nice right now, and we're just gonna head north and meet up with some friends after we venture around. We stopped at Grand Junction though because we have some stuff we need to get fixed on our van. So we got an Airbnb for a couple days. Our room's pretty big. It's not the fanciest by any means, but it's also only $50 and we're downtown Grand Junction, where we were getting quoted like $170 a night for pet-friendly hotels. So, I mean, they seem happy and comfortable. It's Tucker's birthday. We're gonna go drop off the van, come back, get the dogs, and then go walk and get some brunch.
We are at Main Street Bagels, Artisan Bakery and Cafe. We just smashed a jalapeno bagel with egg, green onion, avocado, hers with mushroom, bacon, sausage, and cheddar cheese. We had to get a side of their cinnamon crunch bagel as well.
We both got one of
We
each.
both got one. Yeah, each.
Which is why I can't even finish this. I'm so full.
And potato chips. Just load up on the carbs.
Yeah.
I hear everybody loads up on carbs on Wednesdays.
So what they say. They make homemade chai tea, which is, oh my god, delicious. And Ken got a freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. And of course, you know who it is. Tucky and Mel enjoying their Wednesday morning. Tucky, is it your birthday? Huh? Is it your birthday? Happy birthday.
No time for stalling. The wild, wild is calling. Risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
Alright guys, we got to our new spot that we're gonna be at for a little bit, and check out the views. I mean, come on. Even though we're at one of the most epic locations we've ever been, we do have some unfortunate news. Ken and I did plan on exchanging out our tires at some point and getting some beefier off-roading tires. But looks like we're gonna have to do it sooner rather than later. We completely busted through the sidewall right here. We didn't even feel it because of the dually, thank goodness. So it didn't affect our driving, but we're just unsure of how long we've been driving around for. So unfortunately, another tire has a chunk taken out as well. It's not popped or anything, but we're gonna replace this with the spare and then have to upgrade our tires a little bit sooner than originally planned.
The wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling.
So again, despite the tire, we're about to make the most of it. It is too beautiful to let that get in our way. We'll figure it out later before we leave. I am about to make some veggie burrito wrap things. Never really made it. Can't be bad though, because we got our tortillas, spinach tortillas, and some baby springs. I have potatoes in the oven, and then I did like a quinoa kind of mixed grain thing, and then I have squash, shallots, red bell pepper, a little bit of jalapeno, and garlic. We'll see. And then of course cilantro and avocado. Burrito time. We picked up 2 stragglers on the side of the road. Ken and I just did a lot of chores today. We were gonna go to Telluride and wash all of our bedding because our white bedding is now brown, thanks to Utah. You know that flat tire I mentioned not too long ago? Well, Ken just changed it out. Props to him. I don't know if anyone's ever changed out a dually, but it's different. And then I just finished up some dishes, kind of deep cleaning a little bit before we head into town. But look at these cute little babies. They are just soaking it all in, sunbathing, taking in the view.
Experience it all. Experience the feeling. See it all. I can see a light shining on out of the dark, breaking through the clouds. It all begins right now. It starts.
Gonna take the easier path back on the road, not on the trail. But we took the trail because we saw 3 waterfalls along the way. It was worth every single step. A little wet right now, but my God, it was beautiful.
I spread my wings and fly into a sea of blue and white.
So from here you can see all 3 of the waterfalls we just hiked. We got one there, and the big papa right there.